Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your partition into your Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, if you go to the File Explorer, you can see I have two partitions over here. One is Home and one is Powerhouse. So if I go for the Powerhouse and basically I want to delete it, so before deleting it, you just make sure you back up them all into your Windows. So for that, here you can see I already back up my all 5 file over here, and I'm going to now delete it. So first you can delete it by click on your right mouse button into start icon and go for settings, and you can go for the system setting over here, and then you can see over here the storage. Click on that, scroll down a little bit, and then you will find advanced storage settings over here. Click on that, and after that you can see in the advanced storage settings you will find disk and volumes. Click on that, and here you can see here is my home C drive and here is my Powerhouse D drive. So basically I want to delete it. So click on the properties section, and you can see over here the format section is over here. So if you click on the delete section, you can format or delete the volume to erase all data on it. So if you click on delete, it will all delete it into your Powerhouse D drive. And then there is another way for deleting it. So if you click on your right mouse button in the start icon, go for the disk management. And after that, here you can see this is my C drive and this is my D drive. So if I click on the D drive, click on your right mouse button and click on delete volume. By this, it will delete your D drive over here. So this is how you can delete your drive or partition into your Windows 11. You can do it as well at Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.